First, we perform this multiplication. 1 over 5 multiplied by 5. The 5's cancel each other out, and only the number 1 remains. Then we divide 5 by 1, and the final answer becomes 5. But this answer is not correct, because we did not follow one of the most important and fundamental rules of mathematics, known as the order of operations, which is recognized by the short and well-known abbreviation PEMDAS. Each letter in the word PEMDAS stands for a specific step. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. With these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to PEMDAS. In this problem, we have both multiplication and division, and since multiplication and division have the same priority, when solving these types of problems, we move from left to right. Whichever operation we encounter first, we perform that one first. Now, in this problem, if we move from left to right, we first reach the division, so we perform the division first. 5 divided by 1 over 5. To solve this part of the problem, we must use the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. According to this rule, we keep the first number exactly as it is. Division is changed into multiplication. And the second number is flipped. Therefore, the expression changes from 5 divided by 1 over 5 to 5 multiplied by 5, which becomes 25. At the end, we multiply 25 by 5, which becomes 125. Now, solve this question according to PEMDAS and write the answer in the comments. The solution to this question will be in the next video on the channel, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.